5 Baby sleep mistakes parents must avoid. There's nothing more beautiful and peaceful than watching your baby sleep. That tiny smile, those fluttering eyelids, is she dreaming already? But here's the question, is your precious little one truly sleeping well? In this video, we'll talk about some common sleep mistakes many parents unknowingly make. Bad sleeping habits that are not good for your babies. 1. Inconsistent sleep schedule. It might feel like babies can sleep anytime, but the truth is, just like us, they benefit from consistency. Solution: keep your baby's bedtime and nap schedule as consistent as possible. This helps their body learn when it's time to play and sleep. 2. Missing sleep cues. Babies can't tell you they're tired, but their body language says it all. Solution: if your baby is rubbing her eyes, whining, or getting restless, it's her way of saying, "I'm ready to sleep." Missing this window can lead to overstimulation and meltdowns. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care related videos. Please continue watching. 3. Co-sleeping. Sharing a bed with your child may seem comforting, but it often leads to sleep dependency, poor sleep habits, and difficulty transitioning to independent sleep routines over time. Solution: soothe your baby until she's drowsy and place her in the crib. With consistency, she'll learn to sleep on her own, we promise. 4. Always responding to crying instantly. While it's natural to want to help immediately, it's important to allow her to self-soothe. Solution: wait a few moments before responding. If your baby knows that you'll come but not immediately, she may learn to fall back asleep on her own. 5. Over-relying on night feeds. Many babies wake not out of hunger but out of habit. Solution: talk to your pediatrician about when you can reduce or stop night feeds. You might be surprised at how ready your baby is. Helping your baby develop healthy sleep habits takes patience, consistency, and a little trial and error. It won't be perfect overnight, but every step you take builds healthier habits for the future. Has your baby faced any of these sleep challenges? What worked for you? Share your story in the comments.